everybody, welcome to the Ridgway world. I'm Jeff, you're not, and the lovely camera person is...
Terry.
Okay, thank you, because they can't see it, so you gotta say it. We've had this obscure box from fan mail that has been sitting here for a long time, and I want to apologize. It's my fault, because I relocated it to another spot and didn't think anything of it until Terry, the last couple of days, says, whatever happened to that box that was fan mail on here? They keep asking about it, and it was my fault, so I had relocated it, so we're finally opening it. And again, I'm sorry. We just shuffle things around a lot around here.
Well, plus we're waiting for the most appropriate video, too.
Right, I know, but when it's out of sight, out of mind,
yeah,
you know, you just forget about it, and again, we're sorry. So, keep your gift a surprise. Unwrap your present before opening the envelope. Oh, it's a very nice wrap. That is actually very nice, isn't it?
Yeah. It's my favorite color now.
Am I allowed to read that next? It says, hi Jeff and Terry, hope you're doing well. Think about you all the time. Hope you have a blessed day. Hope you enjoy these gifts. P.S. Congratulations on being the first-time grandparents. From Abby.
Oh, isn't that appropriate?
That's sweet. Very nice. Yeah, we can't wait too. It hasn't happened yet, but it's getting very close.
Yeah.
It could be any day now. Oh, look at this. It says, let me get the Grandpa, established in 2024.
Oh, very
beautiful.
nice.
Thank you, Abby.
Thank you.
Oh, this has a little pink hue. Grandma, established 2024.
Nice.
Perfect. Abby,
Beautiful.
Thank you so much. And again, it was the perfect timing, actually, because we haven't had the grandbaby yet. So,
thank you.
but thank you so much. We appreciate
It
it.
was very thoughtful.
And today we're off on a little adventure, more or less an adventure for me, because I get to go operate the tractor over to Larry's house, you know, to try to clean up his backyard. So that's where we're going to be going today. And it's kind of warm out, but not a bad day. No chance of rain, so, and I get to play around and, you know, tear things up, which I like. So we'll see you then.
I forgot you guys were coming over today, Ter, because I'm...
Hey, Ter.
Hey.
Hey.
Where's he at? I hear the tractor.
I don't know, he rode back there somewhere. You might have had to do.
So you're not going to direct him? You're just going to let him go? I mean, he knows what he's doing?
I was waiting for him to ask. He just went over there and parked. I guess he's peeing. I don't want to go back there while he's peeing.
Did you talk to him at all?
Yeah, earlier, but he didn't do anything.
Isn't this in a
Yeah,
way?
they got games set up, and I said something to him and act like it didn't care. I guess because it was video night or something. But I told him I don't need them to be, you know, they could do their own thing, but he could have moved stuff.
Yeah, I thought he was going to show you, like, exactly.
Right. It's like everything's in a way, like, you know, he didn't do anything to get ready for it. It's like,
So all I remember is you're not allowed to harm that.
I know, but how am I supposed to get in? He left everything there. I can't get in that way. The picnic table's still there. So now I gotta go back here and I gotta try to jerry-rig around this without screwing up the rhododendron.
Well, hon, we're going to have to put off one or something. We can't go back there.
Larry, you got any off?
If you want me to film...
I forgot to bring mine.
If you want me to film you doing any of this, then I have to have
I
some
know, I
off.
agree. And
I'm not getting bit by a tick
I'm
again.
not gonna do either. You know, the last time we were here, you had like 18 cans of off. That's what I was just saying to her. I said, how come you didn't move anything out of the way? Is it like party time here at the Abraham house?
No, what did you... no, I forgot that you're coming over tonight, but tonight's filming night.
Well, I told you, it didn't didn't matter, but at least they needed a roadway in, and your splitter's there, and
Well, wait a second. You're supposed to go over that way, not
I
there.
can't get in that way. I got to start here because that's where all your crap is, the majority of it.
She didn't
And
want,
you
Diana
got
didn't want
game
to-
set up. You got your log splitter there. The godforsaken if we touch the rhododendron.
Yeah, don't. Yeah, don't hit the rhododendron.
Right.
You want to move the splitter real quick?
No, I already moved it.
Oh, you should have said something. We would have moved it.
No, you wouldn't have.
I was just about ready to get up. I thought you were peeing back there.
Why would I keep it?
He's not European.
Here, you need this. If you're going back there, you got to have it.
Good one, Jeff. Pretty good.
No, I
liked it.
Thank you. I thought that when you drove back there, I thought you were peeing, Jeff. I didn't know you were.
You don't take a tractor to go pee.
Well, you were on the tractor.
Well, I had to get it to there, didn't I?
Terry asked me where you were. I said, I think you just got off it to go pee.
No.
You want a beer?
No. I already have one back there. Because I went in your refrigerator while you weren't out here. You guys were all lollygagging around doing something in the house. So I figured I'd go get a beer and start my day.
Man, did you spray half a can?
Smells good though.
Yeah.
Huh?
We
I'm
got
not,
like
get-
18
I'm not
cans.
getting
What's
bit by a tick
I don't
again.
blame you.
Why don't you have fan mail send you more off?
I like
Yo, I got bit by an assassin bug today. Be careful.
What's that do?
Well, you could get a disease from them.
What kind of disease?
It's pretty bad, like heart failure and.
Wait a minute.
Well, that disease hits everybody,
Yeah, I
especially
think
after you
heart
get over
failure
60.
come-
You
yeah,
got
I
heart
think
disease,
that's
you got my liver
No,
problem.
it's from parasites that it puts into your blood.
Is it
And
parasites or paranoid?
I'm paranoid of some
Yeah.
parasites.
Well,
right
how
now,
you get
to tell
that
you
from
the truth.
mosquitoes too? You get dengue or
Yeah,
malaria. You
Yo,
get
don't write over
triple
my
E.
bucket.
So
You're
all
gonna write
these
over my
bugs have it?
Huh?
All these bugs? All these assassin bugs
Assassin bugs. They also
are...
call them kissing bugs.
Yeah, aren't the
They
kissing
teach your
bugs
ass
the ones in
to fly.
Florida that kiss each other?
No, this thing bites you, and kissing bugs actually suck your blood.
And,
they
did, and your
parasite.
blood was sucked?
No, it just bit me. It was like a bee sting.
Oh, well then you don't have anything.
How do you know?
Because you just said they suck your blood.
Yeah, transfer
Well, they
it.
can if they.
It was
sting.
probably only there for a second.
But they stick venom in you.
I don't know, but I'm twitching now. I wasn't twitching before.
Right.
All right, come on. I don't want to be
I
on.
know it's getting late. I mean it's dark. Or
The
getting
later
dark.
the later it gets, the
Right.
more mosquitoes will come out
Right.
too.
So now I gotta try to. At least I think I can maneuver in. You got enough off on you?
Oh, my legs.
Oh, okay. That's all you do. Follow me, my darling. But see, this is the issue. When you volunteer to help people out, they don't prep for it, or it's almost like a take
You
advantage.
knew you were coming,
I
right?
know we knew he was coming. Hell, I knew it was, their video night or whatever, but who cares? I don't care.
All right, well, just remember there's bees back here.
Yeah.
Let me ask you a question. Do you even know where you're going with all this?
I got a rough idea because he was supposed to put something about the property line out there too. And there's nothing back there. I've already walked here before I came back out of here. And there's no property marker, there's no nothing. So I don't know. And this thinking, I got this to worry about, I got the rhododendron to worry about. And it's just, if somebody's doing something for you, at least
Well,
you.
if you can just push this straight back then.
That's what I'm going to do to start. I got to start that way because if you look in there, like over here, see these logs?
Yeah.
They're going to be heavy. So it's going to take me some time to get that, but I think this brush, at least if I can push this back, it'll get me started. So, but if the bugs are bothering you, you got to stay clear. Look underneath it, see how much crap's under there?
Oh, yeah. Don't get stuck.
I guess he's thrown all the cinder blocks in here.
Watch me.
I'm watching it.
that dirt came from. That was from him.
I know, that log fell behind the tractor. Is that going to matter?
What are you talking about?
Remember the slime thing that we had over there, and we had to get all the slime up? That's where he put it all right there, all the dirt from it.
He don't even care.
Well, that wasn't that long ago. That was all overgrown, Lara.
No, I put all that stuff on top of it.
You just put that there.
All that branches. Larry does a lot of work.
Oh, now it.
Where's he going to dig a hole at?
I told him not to get stuck.
Oh, no.
Oh.
That log.
You're stuck. Can you like push up in the bucket and make it unstuck? I seen guys like walking off of a tractor trailer.
Han! Dad!
Yo, you're stuck.
Well, looks like I'm already screwed. Are you guys going to watch, or are you just going to help? Are you going to help?
Well, I don't know. What can we do?
Larry was full of suggestions. Could we put that log under the tire, maybe?
Everybody's full of suggestions.
Maybe we can put that log under that tire, Jeff. Would that help?
What's that?
We put that log under the tire. Would that give you traction to
Nah, it's four-wheel drive. I would have been able to get out. I would have to chain it come on.
Can't you use a bucket and make
That's
it
what I
warm?
was doing. I was digging a bucket in, but everybody just sits there watching.
But why didn't you?
No.
Why didn't you put the? Why didn't you come over with that? What's that thing that you come and you dig up the ground like that?
The bucket.
I thought he had that over on the other side of it. Well, why didn't
Well,
have
he
that
didn't
over?
put it on because he thought he was pushing the stuff
You're gonna
back.
dig a hole, aren't you?
No, I'm not digging a hole. I can't dig a hole that big. There's so much. Look at all this. It's got like 20 years of shit. It's all buried. You know, I can't bury it all.
You put this dirt here.
I didn't put that dirt there.
Yeah, you did. Don't you remember? It was the dirt from the
The slime?
I think that I don't think that makes sense. You know, that point is
No,
mute. That
that's-
doesn't have nothing to do with it.
No, I'm
it's
just
not
saying
relevant.
that it's not. That wasn't all. This wasn't all brush.
No, but
that
look
was
at
dirt.
the logs here. Look at it's just going to take me some time, and everybody standing here watching doesn't help.
Why-
Don't
what
you
could-
guys got videos to do?
Yeah, but what do you want us to do?
I just let me do my thing. I'll go get my truck. I'll get my come along. I'll get myself out. You guys, it's not doing any good. It just frustrates me that everybody just wants to stand there and watch you when you do stuff. It's like, you know, like work. Yeah, it's like a work. You got one guy working, and you got 15 guys watching you. It's just frustrating.
Like the road department.
Now, I'm not saying any of you. I'm not talking about my work. I'm just talking work in general.
No, I'm just saying that's what a lot of
Yeah.
people say. It's like the road department.
Yeah.
Like when they sit there and they watch. That's what I say.
Just guys, do what you're doing. Have fun.
We should help.
Park stuff in the way. Do what you need to do.
You all right?
Hey Jeff, seriously, we'll help you do whatever you want us to do.
That's all right. You got film night. Don't worry about me.
Like, you guys can do challenges with us or something, you know?
Nah.
Come relax. We can pizza in there. We'll help you.
Yeah, it's all right. Nah, don't worry about it. You guys got your own night to do. This was just something I wanted to do, but yeah, it's not gonna work out. I gotta get my truck and come along, and I'll get it out. If I had my backhoe on, but I didn't think I'd be digging a hole, so I didn't put my backhoe
I
on.
thought we were going to have a hole dug.
Yeah, I can't. There's too much stuff back there to dig a hole. There isn't. I was just going to push everything back to the property line. You were going to put, remember, we went back there, we walked the whole property, so we know where the property. I was going to push that back to your neighbors so they look at it, and you don't have to.
But I thought that we'd dig a hole to put this
But
stuff
I
in.
just can't. I don't have. If you had an excavator in
But-
here with a 30-foot,
Hon, you dug a hole in behind ours.
Yeah, I dig a hole. That you're going to have to dig a foundation for a
No,
household to
I'm
bury all
not
that
talking about
crap.
a giant hole for everything to go in. I'm just talking about a hole like so big that we could put the big stuff or something.
Yeah, it's easier. Let nature take its course. I'll push it back, but I got to get that tractor out of there now because it's not doing me any good sitting there. Like I said, if I had the backhoe there, I could have been pulling myself out, but I can't because I took that off because I had to go do all the bush hogging at Jesse's.
We'll do whatever you need us for. We'll help you.
Let me talk to him.
Yeah, we'll definitely help.
I'll talk to him.
Joe, look at this pallet. This pallet works better, Joe.
Try that right there. Hold it up.
That's because they're round.
What's that?
That's because they're round. You need something flat.
Throw it in there. He's close. Can you bring that was good now. That was good. Oh, it's this one. Bring this bucket in closer. You can get that bucket.
Where's my beer at? I carry a pallet all the way back.
On the ground.
No, it's right here. Yeah. Oh, you're not gonna bring that one. Watch out, Joe.
Oh, the right tire's spinning.
Yeah, because he's on that other bush.
And then there's a tree behind him.
Yeah. So my idea was the pallet. See, if you put the pallet right behind, you'd have
Yeah,
more.
but they're not-
Stop, Larry.
They're not listening to me.
They're not listening.
Yeah, there is poison ivy in there.
Where's the big stuff?
Oh, I'm gonna get poison ivy.
Ah.
Yeah, it's that right tire.
Okay, that one is see done. Oh, we have. I got it. Yeah.
See, I would think if you go forward, if you put that pallet right in front of that tire.
No, that side's out. This one's heavy. That one doesn't go forward. Put some on the other tire now. Joe, get those things underneath more. I'm trying. Pull them out.
I saved the beer anyway.
That side's good. This side now, Jeff. Spin it out.
Nobody, not one person listened to me about the pallet. Not one person. Joe's gonna get run over.
Watch yourself, Joe.
Joe's gonna lose a foot.
Yeah. Joe gonna come right over after my homeowners and
Yeah. Joe, we gave it a valiant effort. Definitely come a long time.
I still think a pallet would work better.
Ooh, ooh. There it is.